Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking in how you can share your LinkedIn account profile link with others so that they can have access to your portfolio and see what your abilities and what your skills have been and what's your work experience. Now LinkedIn is a very good platform to express your work experience and express your education and your skills and your past portfolios. So people would want to see your work, and the best way to do it is to give them your LinkedIn profile link. But most people don't know how to do it. So in this tutorial, we're going to be looking in how we can do it. You can either do it on your LinkedIn mobile app or your LinkedIn website browser. So we're going to go through on our computer. You're going to open your browser. You're going to type in there LinkedIn. Once you're here, you're going to click on the first link here. Now, if you don't have an account already, it's going to ask you to create an account, but since I already have an account, it already logged me in. Okay, so once you're on this screen, on the left here, you can see your profile, and once you hover on your name, it's going to ask you to click on it. You can either click on here, or you can come here, and on the drop down menu, you can see view profile. Either case, you will get to your profile. I'm gonna click here. Okay, once you're on your profile, you can see all of the skills and all of the abilities that you have done and you have been going through for the past experience. You can see your education, you can see your projects and work experiences. So how you can share your link with others. You're gonna click on top here on the URL box, and if you copy this link and you give it to someone, and if they open it, they're gonna be straight up directed to your profile. Or you can see that public profile and URL on the right side here. You can copy this link from here as well. It's the same link. And now you can send this link to someone who would want to see what's your work experience and where you stand at in the working industry. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure you do like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any problems.